Today, worksheet 1. Question number 1. In given figure, L, M, and N are three parallel lines intersected by a transversal P. Here given angle 1, that is 110 degree. We have to find angle X, angle Y, angle Z, and angle W. Here given L parallel M parallel N and P is a transversal. L parallel M parallel N and P is a transversal. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degree, angle 1 110 degree. Angle X, angle Y, angle Z, angle W, how much? Since angle 1 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree, angle 1 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree, it is linear pair. It is linear pair. Right region to right side in bracket. It is very essential to write region. Angle 1, it is given 110 degrees. 110 plus angle X is equal to 180. Angle X is equal to angle X is equal to angle X is equal to 180 minus 110 and it's 70 degrees. Again, since line L parallel M given, therefore angle X is equal to angle Y. Line L parallel M, therefore angle X is equal to angle Y. Co-exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. The angle X is equal to angle Y. Angle X, it is 70 degrees, so angle Y is equal to 70 degrees. Now, M parallel N, it is given M parallel N. Therefore, angle Z is equal to angle Y, angle Z is equal to angle Y, alternate interior angles. Angle Z is equal to angle Y, that is equal to 70 degree from proof. And line L parallel line M, line L parallel line N. It is given. Therefore, angle W is equal to angle 1. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1, it is given 110 degrees. Therefore, W is equal to 110 degree. Hence, angle X 70 degree, angle Y 70 degree, angle Z 70 degree, and angle W is equal to 110 degree. Now question number 2. In given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Is AD parallel BC? Justify your answer. Here given in quadrilateral ABCD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is equal to 90 degree each. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 90 plus angle 2 90, 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, AD parallel BC. Since co-interior angles are supplementary, sum of co-interior angles 180 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary, hence lines be parallel. Now question number 3. Draw a line segment AB 6 cm, make 2 points P and Q on it. Draw a line perpendicular to AB through P and Q as PR and QS. What can you say about PR and QS? Are these parallels? Justify your answer. So here given AB, a line segment of line L. AB is a line segment. Here length of AB is equal to 6 centimeter. P and Q are 2 points. P and Q are 2 points on AB. Also, PR perpendicular to AB, QS perpendicular to AB. And this angle perpendicular, this angle 90 degree, this angle 90 degree. Angle RPQ, this angle, plus angle SQP, this angle is equal to 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Sum of these two angles, 180 degree. These two angles are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. Hence, PR parallel QS. PR parallel QS, since co-interior angles are supplementary. Now, question number 4. In figure, L parallel M parallel N, L, M and N are 3 parallel lines. Given L parallel M parallel N, AB and BC are transversals. AB transversal of L and M, BC transversal of M and N. Here given this angle A 50 degree, this angle C 40 degree, we have to find angle X and angle Y. X and Y how much? So since L parallel M and AB is transversal, L parallel M and AB is transversal, so angle A plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Angle A 50 plus angle X is equal to 180, X is equal to 180 minus 50, angle X is equal to 130 degree. Again, M parallel N and BC is transversal. BC is transversal, it is given. Therefore, Y is equal to 40 degree. Y is equal to 40 degree. Alternate interior angles. Now, question number 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all 4 angles are equal, so that AB parallel DC, AD parallel BC. Here given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. All 4 angles are equal. Let these angles are X degree each. Let angle A X degree, angle B X degree, angle C X degree, angle D X degree. So since sum of all 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Putting value, X plus X plus X plus X is 360. 4X is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 90 degree. And each angle 90 degree. Angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B, angle A 90 plus angle B 90, 180 degree. Therefore, AD parallel BC. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, AD parallel BC. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Lines be parallel. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Hence, lines be parallel. Similarly, we can show that AB parallel DC, since the sum of these two is 180 degree. Now, question number 6. In given figure, angle BAO, this angle, is equal to angle DCO, this angle, and OC is equal to OD. Angle BAO is equal to angle DCO given. OC is equal to OD, it is also given. Now from this triangle, OCD, from this triangle, OC is equal to OD, OC is equal to OD. Therefore, angle C, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle DCO is equal to angle CDO. Why? The angles in a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. From triangle OCD, OC is equal to OD, therefore angle DCO is equal to angle CDO. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, angle A is equal to angle C, it is given. Angle BAO is equal to angle DCO, it is given. Or angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. DCO is equal to CDO. To put this CDO instead of DCO. From proof, angle DCO is equal to angle CDO. Therefore, AB parallel CD. This angle is equal to this angle. So these two lines parallel. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Lines be parallel. Now, question number 7. In given figure, ABC is a triangle. Angle A is equal to 75 degree. Side BC produced 2D and CE parallel BA. Angle DCE is equal to 40 degree. Find other angles of triangle. Angle B how much? Angle C how much? Here given CE parallel BA. CE parallel BA. Angle A 75 degree. Angle DCE 40 degree. Angle B how much? Angle C how much? Since BA parallel CE and BD is transversal, therefore angle B is equal to angle DCE. So angle B is equal to angle DCE, corresponding angle. Angle B is equal to angle DCE given 40 degree. Angle B 40 degree. Now, from triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. It is called sum angle property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Sum angle property of a triangle. Putting value we get angle A 75 plus angle B 40 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 75 plus 40. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 150. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. Hence, angle B is equal to 40 degree. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. Thank you. Subscribe it.